Hi, good afternoon. Today is August 2nd and today is Friday. I just ate lunch at home. Yesterday I bought yakisoba that I really like, but I totally forgot to bring it from my office. After I bought yakisoba, I put it in my office refrigerator and I totally forgot to bring it home. Yeah, and when I brush my teeth in the morning, I realized that I bought yakisoba yesterday. So yeah, and I don't wanna throw away them. So at my lunchtime today, I ate yakisoba. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, and I feel very disappointed with myself because I forget many things. Yeah, so I have to focus on that I have to do, or yeah, I try not to forget everything. And last night my older daughter told me, you are very you cannot remember everything. Yeah, it's very I tend to forget things. So I'm so disappointed. And this morning I was working using my laptop, and I'm not good at using computer. So, and today I couldn't work with my laptop because I needed to update some software system. Yeah, and I didn't understand what the laptop said. So yeah, I asked one of my colleagues to help me. Yeah, so I hate using laptop. Yeah, see you.